Assalamualaikum everyone. I am Sadiafrin Nova from Group B4. This is our 11th week. We are working on our assigned project named the Smart Irrigation Control System for Bangladesh Rice Research Institute. In this week, we are working on SRS part on our report writing. SRS means System Requirement Specification. Purpose. The main purpose of our project is modernize the conventional irrigation system. We are using AWD method named alternate wetting and drying. We are using this method for boro cultivation. This technology will save about 4 to 5 numbers of irrigation compared to the farmer's practice. It will also save 25% of irrigation water and 30% of fuel cost. Irrigation is a crucial part of boro's life cycle. Our main focus on our project will be to irrigate boro throughout its vegetative periods. Scope of initial release. Initial release will provide a hardware device that will monitor the field water level. Depending on the water level, the device will turn off and on automatically. The water level will be 50 cm from the ground surface. The main obstacle for us is to stabilize the device for a long period of time. Scope of subsequent release. Make a smartphone application to execute all the functionality of the device will be our next step. It will include more modern high technology to enrich our project. That's all about my part. Thank you everyone.
Assalamualaikum everyone. I'm Asiful Hassan. Now I'm going to give my presentation on system overview. A smart irrigation control system by alternate wetting and drying method is aimed to develop a wireless device that ensures the irrigation automatically. When the water level reaches below 15 cm, irrigation will start. The aim of this project to save about 4 to 5 number of irrigation and 25% of irrigation water and 30% of fuel cost. Now I'm going to give my presentation on the use case. There is 3 main use case in our system. The first one is create system. The second one is monitor field condition, which has other small use cases under it. And the third one is update system. The system developer, which is us, can access the 3 use case: create system, monitor field condition, and update system. And the farmer can access only the monitor field condition use case. That's my part of presentation. Thank you everyone.
Hello everyone, my name is Imdadul Haq and this is my weekly progress video on SRS or System Requirement Specification. As part of my work in SRS, I am working for use cases. So now let's take a look at the first use case of our system, which is create system. The create system is basically the part of which defines how and what we are going to create for this project. So initially in here, what we are doing is the building up the whole project itself. So the user of the system will be usually the system developer, which is me and my whole team. Also, we have to fulfill some preconditions for this use case. For example, the developers should have all the necessary tools and equipments to build up the project. So there are some basic course of events. As you can see here, the developer will design the layout of the whole system first, and then we will make the hardware system and incorporate the program that we did with it. The monitor field condition system is just like the grid system, but in here we are monitoring the whole system, and the users for this part will be system developer and farmers as well, because the farmers are the main part who are going to use and observe the device in the open field. And the precondition is all the devices are running up and running, and the device will collect information from different rice field. The information will be shown in the monitor of the base station, and if the condition is that the water level is less than 15 centimeter, then we'll turn on the monitor. And now last but not least, the update system. In update system, will provide or improve the efficiency of the system, and by updating we mean that the system will definitely improve over the time. We'll add more features to it, like configure the hardware device is a important part of the update, and after improving the hardware implementation, we'll also do the same as what we did in the create system. And that is all. Thank you.
Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Ruhina Akhtar and I am from group B4. In system requirement specification part, I am discuss about functional requirement. The name of the functional requirement is auto level reading. Summary of the system. The system will observe and report the auto level of various fields. Rational. The user will say current auto level of the field and use that data to take action based on the data. Requirement of the system. When the user uses the system must do the following. It will take the measurement of water level using the sonar sensor. The collected data must be sent over the base station using the NRF module. If the data indicates the need for irrigation, the system will turn on the motor until the requirement is fulfilled. References we use is use case 1, create system, and use case 2, monitor field condition. Now we am discuss about non-functional requirement. The name of the non-functional requirement is performance constraint for measurement, reading and data sending. Summary of the system. The system should give an accurate data reading every time. Rational. If the system is not providing an accurate result, then it might create a worse situation. Requirement of the system. While reading and sending information over the wireless module, the device must provide an accurate result. The time interval data in also important. Both of these requirements cannot be compromised. References we use is use case 1, create system. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. I'm Nabil Ahmed. I'm going to talk about licensing and engineering decision in the SRS of the project. License is a document for a product where the permission of the product is given. It also included permission and prohibition of sharing and the level of making change in the product or in the source code. These are the most popular open source license: GNU General Public License and GNU Lizard General Public License. These are the possible computational device we can use in the project. From analyzing, we had to select the best option. We need a microcontroller which has low power consumption, cheap, small and fast enough to handle measuring and computational module. From all of these, we select Arduino Pro Mini because of its price, availability, size, power consumption and available library functions. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mohammad Ashraful Alam. Now I discuss about the engineering decision of communication module. For communication, we have three modules. First one is Bluetooth 1, second one is RF module, and third one is Wi-Fi. Now we compare these three modules depends on different characteristics. Bluetooth 1 and Wi-Fi module data transfer rate is high, but on the other hand, RF module's data transfer rate is low. RF module communication range is much higher than other, but RF module's power consumption rate is lower than other. There is no data security in RF module, but Bluetooth 1 and Wi-Fi has a data security. All of them are available in market. RF module is much cheaper than other. Now I discuss about engineering decision of a measurement module. For measurement, we have four module or sensor. First one is ultrasonic sensor, second one is liquid level sensor, and third one is IR proximity sensor, and fourth one is laser. All of the sensor are small, but ultrasonic sensor is so much cheaper than other. Program capability easy for every sensor, and measurement range relatively long for ultrasonic sensor, and IR proximity sensor has a short measurement range, and laser has a long measurement range. Availability. All of the sensors are available in the market, and ultrasonic sensor module is much cheaper than other. Thank you.